Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a couple of things I want to go through today. First of all, I want to say thank you again for all the support. We are only, I think, 7 subscribers away from 5,000. So insane growth. Like I said before in the last couple of videos, I really appreciate it. The channel is growing faster than ever. Once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I've got 5 ounces of silver to give out. Now there's a poll running in my community tab, and for those of you that haven't voted yet, please do head over there and vote. And basically I want you to let me know whether you want me to give 5 ounces to one person, or whether you'd rather there be 5 separate winners that each received 1 ounce of silver. So do let me know. I think at the moment it's heavily weighted towards people suggesting that we give 5 ounces to 5 separate people, so there's more winners. And like I said, I'm happy to do it whichever way round the majority choose. So very close to announcing how we're going to do that giveaway. And like I said, we're only a handful of subscribers away 5,000 subscribers, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. I've also got another special announcement to make when I do my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, so do keep an eye out for that. Now in today's video, I've got a mail call from Poor Man's Gold. Now I haven't actually given my address to anybody, so for those of you that have been asking for my address, this isn't anything personal. Poor Man's Gold literally worked out my address. He was a detective when I sent him something, and he basically discovered my address. Now I haven't given my address out to everyone at the moment because I haven't got a PO box set up. I'm in the process of looking into getting a PO box set up, but I don't think it's as easy as it is in the US to set up a PO box. The cheapest I could find a PO box to set up in the UK was around about £400. I think it was like £380, £400 for the year. So obviously at the moment this is a small channel, so I can't really offset that cost. So until I find somewhere that's cheaper, or I find an alternative, then at the moment I haven't got an address to give out. So yeah, it's nothing personal. It's not like I've just given my address out to a couple of people. Poor Man's Gold was the detective when I sent him something, and he obviously worked out my address, and that's how he's able to send me something. This is the second time he's sent me something now, so I really appreciate it, Poor Man's Gold. If you haven't seen Poor Man's Gold, which I'm sure many of you have because he's been around for quite a while now and he's quite a big member in the stacking community, I will leave a link to his channel in the description, so do please head over and check out his channel. So without further ado, let's get into this letter. Try not to cut my hand off with this knife. It would just be probably easier just to open the letter like a normal person, but I like to show off this knife every once in a while because it's pretty cool. Right, let's just rip this open. I need to get a proper like letter knife really. Cool, so I've got one of Poor Man Gold's stickers, which is really cool. I'm hoping this is one of his new stickers because he sent me one of his older ones before and his new ones look amazing, so hopefully it's one of his new ones. 365, stack what you like, Poor Man's Gold. Look at that. That is one of his new stickers, his new designs. Stack what you like, Poor Man's Gold. Absolutely gorgeous sticker. Oh, he sent me a couple here. Really cool design. I really like that design. And like I said, once I get a PO box set up or I work out a way of being able to give out my address, I will do a video announcing it, so please just bear with me. Now also in today's video I wanted to cover another topic very quickly. Let me just make a little bit of space. Now the other day my mum came to visit me and she brought me this. She said that she had it when she was younger, and I think her dad gave it to her, my granddad, and she used it. It's a coin collector's folder for Great Britain pennies, so old circulated pennies, and you can see that it's almost been filled. Now my question I wanted to ask people, now the stat collector, you're probably one of the best people to answer this question, being from the UK and you're kind of into your old circulated coins. Now, as you can see, this album's pretty much complete. If I zoom out a little bit, it's pretty much completed, this album. This whole first 2 pages are complete, as you can see there. But the final page here is missing 4 coins. Now, do you think it would be worth my time to try and source these coins? Or do you think it's not really worth it? I do like the idea of filling up this album and completing it, because you can see that my mum's almost completed it when she was younger. So I do like the idea of searching on eBay and trying to find these coins. But my question is, do you think things like this are a good investment? Now, I haven't looked at the value of something like this up yet. I haven't done any research into it. I haven't searched it on eBay or anything like that, because I thought it'd be interesting to put it out there to my viewers, for those of you that know about these sorts of collections, and to let me know your thoughts. Are these collections worth holding on to? Obviously, I'm going to hold on to it because it's a sentimental value. It's my mum's collection, so it's not like I'm looking to sell it. But I'm just curious whether this is a good investment and how much kind of one of these booklets complete would go for. Now, you can see that the ones that are missing are the lower mintage coins. So that's why I'm guessing they're not being filled, because they're harder to find. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Like I said, stat collector, you're probably the best person to answer that, being from the UK, and this is kind of your speciality. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. But just a quick video there to showcase this collection. Some of these coins are in really nice condition, considering how old they are. I just think it would be quite nice to be able to complete this collection. If any of you see the years that I'm missing on eBay or anything like that, please do let me know so that I can get them. So yeah, there you go. Thanks very much for watching the video. Bit of a random video, a mail call and some old circulated coins, bit of silver there. And as always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.